Hello. How's everyone going? Hope everyone is having a awesome and a wonderful day. On this video, I want to give you a inside tour of Paul Hilsey's program. So if you're thinking about joining his mentoring program, hopefully this video can give you a honest opinion and honest feedback about his program. When I actually did his program, it actually opened up a lot of possibilities for me, and that's when I actually understood how the YouTube algorithm works, right? You might be filing time and time again, taking different programs, taking different courses, but you might not be able to see that breakthrough yet, right? Hopefully this inside tour will give you more insight on his program, right? So this is the program that you get access to once you join Paul Hilsey's YouTube automation program, and this is the inside. So you can literally see how everything actually looks. So this is the home page, right? This is the live course that they actually do. This is the video that Paul actually made as well, right? And in here it goes over the mindset and fundamentals, the journey to six figures, right? Many of his students actually reached that amount, including myself. I built my channels following this same strategy that's actually inside his program, right? Mastering your mindset, which is super important. If you want to become successful with any sort of business, you need that entrepreneur mindset, right? Which he actually goes through in his videos. Optimizing your life, right? Super important to optimize your life to get the success you want in your life. And then in here it goes through like launching your faceless channels, choosing a viral niche. Not like I share this with you all the time, not all the niche on YouTube is viral, and you want to be choosing a viral niche. Actually goes through that. Video ideas, how to come up with video ideas, right? So there's different parts. Setting up your channel the right way to optimize the channel. Metadata overdrive, right? Components of quality content on YouTube. It's all about quality content, right? And regardless of what anyone says, you should always choose quality over quantity. If someone is uploading 10 times a day, right, and if you upload one video a month, but it's quality content and it's also viral content, you'll get your channel blowing up very fast, right? If you do that. So in here he actually goes through everything: high CTR thumbnails and title, writing engaging script, recording voiceovers, editing, engaging videos, right? Engaging videos. And in here he goes through building a dream team, because it's all about team building and how you can also be managing your team, vetting and hiring freelancers, onboarding your team, managing your dream team, and the most important thing is firing your teams, right? You should always be quick to fire, right? And most of the time people actually take a lot of time to fire someone, right? So you should always be quick to fire, and you should always understand, like in any business, if someone is actually not keeping up to your expectation and not be able to deliver the products on time, you should just let them go, and you're gonna be finding so many other different talents out there, right? So this is super important, firing freelancers. And in here it goes through like understanding the algorithm, the secret VCR formula, which is a key to becoming successful on your YouTube automation business, right? Secret VC formula, which I actually use to blow up many of my channels. Optimizing key metrics, understanding quality versus quantity, right? Super important. And it goes through like copyright, avoiding and dealing with ads limitation, right? It goes through everything like that. Expecting the YouTube growth, make money on YouTube, expecting YouTube monetization, and it goes through like how you can actually monetize the channel, doing everything organically, right? Because he actually teaches do everything organically, and that way you can actually build up the audience that's actually your core fan base, right? But what I actually give out as a bonus from my side, I give people who actually start his YouTube automation program, I give a bonus from my side. So I give a already monetized channel, and I also give access to a lot of other bonus, including a very, very human-like voiceover software, right? And it's got like different languages there. I think it got like close to about 20 different languages you can choose from. So imagine you start one channel in English, that channel starts blowing up. Then instead of you hiring a voiceover person, you can just use the software, right? And I also use this software on my channels, and I never ever had any issues, right? So you're gonna get access to that, including the already monetized channel, and you will also get access to the niche that I also get into, right? So which is super important. I'll give you my chosen niche, so you can take that and start your journey on YouTube automation, right? And in here it goes through moving forward. Video just explode, right? Video just exploded. So what do you do after your video have exploded, right? Because there's some of the things that you need to do to continue to get traction on YouTube, right? Which goes over, he goes over everything with that. Videos are not going viral. So what do you do if your videos are not actually going viral? And he's got a plan in here. If you click on this masterclass, so in here he's got like different students sharing their results, right? And they actually give you a roadmap of how they actually got success. So they got like a lot of different stuff in here, all right? And aside from that, they have all this recording, right? All this recording, that's like mastermind recordings. You can actually go and watch all of this. And in here you can also choose book a team, call with a team, and how you can actually choose the right niche. We have mastermind calls. You can see the times in here, and that way you can actually access this and then jump on a coaching call with Paul. Then you got other members in here. They actually show you what they do, what you're actually doing. And if you at any stage get stuck, they're always going to be there to help, guide, and support you every single step of the way, right? So again, thank you so much. That was my honest review on Paul Hilsey's program. And if you're thinking about joining, also get in touch with me, because I wanted to provide you with the already monetized channel and also the access to the voiceover software. And I'll also give you access to a very, very awesome program that I got recently, and I paid a lot of money. You're gonna get free of charge to that program as well, right? So I'll leave my Facebook profile in the first link in the description section. You can just click it and let me know, come and chat with me, and any questions you have, I'll be more than happy to answer and help you out with this YouTube automation journey. Again, thank you so much, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And in here, if you're also stuck with doing everything organically, growing your channel organically, make sure to also check out my step-by-step training to 6 figures with YouTube automation in here, right? And you can also see all my students results on here, which I actually did an interview with them, and you can also see my results on here as well. So again, thank you so much for watching. My name is Sanjeev, and I'll catch you in the next video. Thank you so much, and bye for now.